In this world where most of the people are looking to be gainfully employed, there are people like Shreyas Deshpande who think beyond doing a job and prefer contributing to India's development directly. Ever since Shreyas was a child, he has always been aware of his true capabilities. Hence, he wanted to be on his own. He never believed in playing safe and staying in the comfort zone. Hence, entrepreneurship had always been in the back of his mind. After 12 years of working as an employee, Shreyas took the risk and started his venture. Did his risk pay off? Let's find out. Shreyas left his job in September 2017 and founded Shubhapriya Institutes and Consultancy Services and got associated with Yatra.com as a YHA for 6 months period. He served 20 plus clients through 2 domestic departures and 2 international departures, including 1 group departure. This success gave him the confidence to spread his wings and offer new things. He became a financial advisor through Sakar Money by serving various financial services and products. Entrepreneurship also allowed Shreyas to fulfill his childhood dream. From 1995 to 1997, during his college days, Shreyas learned French as one of the subjects, but somehow could not continue learning. After leaving his job, he started studying French and completed the B2 DELF level from Alliance Francaise de Pune. This achievement gave birth to his new enterprise, LanguageTech. Today, with a team of 5, LanguageTech is teaching French and Japanese language and aims to cover all the languages, including signs and symbols. But in the appreciation of success, we miss out on the struggle. Shreyas faced challenges at every stage, and here is how he overcame them.
After working with various MNCs for more than 12 years, the so-called comfort zone of monthly pay was the main challenge to overcome out of it. But due to strong support by my family members, my father and my spouse, where was the key to success.
With time, the graph has grown only in the upward direction. Their first multilingual digital Diwali Ank has reached more than 780 readers in more than 9 countries, 10 plus states in the US and 11 plus Indian states. The initiative has saved trees and more than 150,000 liters of water as it is paperless. They conducted several virtual language sessions by arranging a particular language day. At LanguageTech, their language app will be launching soon. Under Shubhapriya Institutes and Consultancy Services, they offer financial advisory, holiday advisory, French and commerce classes, services like virtual accountant, mutual funds, fixed deposits, bonds, all types of insurance, holiday packages, passport, visa and forex, travel insurance, Thomas Cook gift card and holiday savings schemes are also provided. Under LanguageTech, with the help of useful language materials, innovative methods of teaching and making students experience the touch of the culture of France and Japan, the experience of learning becomes much more profound and insightful. Through their values of confidence, courage and creativity, they boost the confidence of their students so that it encourages them to pursue advanced studies in their respective languages and create new avenues for future career growth for students. To avail any of their services, contact 830-804-2853 on WhatsApp or shubhapriyacs@gmail.com. Shreyas Deshpande's example teaches us that living in the comfort zone will never bring out the best version of you. True satisfaction lies in serving more people and bringing more smiles to their faces. So, be courageous enough to take new steps and try out innovative things in life, because one right step can change your world.
Message for new generation entrepreneurs is, don't complicate your life, make it as easy and simple as you can, and there is always a door open before the previous one closes. Thank you.